Okay, we got our nice Harbor Freight 1-inch 1 by 30-inch grinder on sale for 36 bucks. But you know what? That motor on this thing just ain't enough power. So it says right here, powerful 3rd horse motor. But you know what? When you really want to pull some metal off, just modify it a little. So what I got here off eBay is a, well, you know, this says it's a 3rd horsepower also. But this 3rd horsepower compared to that 3rd horsepower, this one's a lot bigger. All I had to do was drill that pulley out to 5/8, because the other shaft down there is like 1/2 inch or something. Drilled it out to 5/8, and then I used these were 1032 standoffs, 3/4 inch, and marked on the plate here where the bolt holes were going to be, and bolted it right to it. And so now I got me a grinder that won't stop. It's like unstoppable. So I can I've got the equivalent of a $200 grinder here for about 80 bucks. Well, it's 30 bucks. I got the motor for 35 bucks, and I got the grinder for 35, so 70 bucks. And I got a grinder that's unstoppable. There, we can take off some material for about 70 bucks. This thing's unstoppable. Nice and quiet, purrs like a kitten.